Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the TikTok app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner and click on profile. When you're at your profile, you want to head to the top and click on the three straight lines followed by settings and privacy. When you're at settings and privacy, you want to choose the option number 2, which is privacy. When you're at the privacy, you simply could change the account settings from here. You can turn your account into a private account by clicking over here, right? With private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. This is how you switch on and switch off. It is very, very important. This works in a similar way in which you make your Instagram account private and the content that you already published will only be available for your current followers, and anybody else should be approved further on to be accessed to get views, to get videos and pictures that you have published. So you want to make sure that not only make your account private, but you want to review your current followers. So you want to remove the ones that you think should not see your content. The second option over here, of course, is activity status. This is also cool feature because a lot of people might actually be trying to catch up with you, trying to follow up how active you are, how inactive you are, trying to build up like a habit or profiling you. This particular feature, when it's on, you and the other followers you follow back will see each other's activity status, which essentially means that when you're on, when you have this function on, you will be online, showing up on their feed, so they will know exactly when you're on. So when they message you, they will know exactly when to message you and when not to message you when you're off. I believe this is something kind of cool feature, but also pretty sensitive because you might not be able to reply right away, right? Even though sometimes the app might show that you're there, you're online and you're active, but you're not replying, right? So they might misjudge the situation. But essentially, this is how you can turn your account into a private account on TikTok. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.